Run tune!
Gyal we suck off dick.
Yeah.
And a jazz me a bust off it.
Yeah.
Say she a bad freak.
Yeah. Boom! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, aka the Reaction Boss. You see me, I say, girl, see me, I'm going to get wet at the same time. You people, we hear Vibes Cartel, we hear Bad Gyal featuring Skillibeng, bang, 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 bang. Jucee Froot, or Fruit, Jucee Froot, and Family. You see me, I say, official order from the Vibes Cartel album. You see me, I ask you which one you want me to single file. On the son want jump on the beat. But do that already. You did message that they run 1,900 views. You can go pre that. You see me, I say. Now we are doing that one now. Bad Gyal. You see me? Remember guys, I did the full album review, guys. So if you didn't check that one out yet, go check it out. There's only 6,000 views are going right now. You see me, I say. You see me? So go rent up. I want that video to go trending, you know. So go over there and watch the video right now. Right now. Leave a like on the video. Drop the fire emoji them. You don't know chat for it. Once you click on Tyrekevlogs videos, people. Wait a minute that. Once you click on my video, drop the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button, okay, girl, yeah, smash. You see me here say? It's a boom, I drop the fire emoji in the comment section and I'll step on the inside and kick back and then get a cold way and forward to watch the video. Get a cold way and forward to watch the video. You see me? But don't talk now because the comments are done, no. You hear me, some people? Run! Red tune! Instrumental! Ooh. People, and next thing too. You may say, the first time I upload the album, it get black worldwide. So you know, say copyright is fully enforced on them saying. So you know, so the pause bar is in full effect. If you want to watch the video without me pausing it, or listen to the song without me pausing it, link to the original video is where? In the description, right? Run tune! Yeah! The instrumental alone make you want to breathe somebody girl pitney. The instrumental alone. Run it. Instrumental alone. Run tune. Alright then.
Bubble up now.
Come out and say girl bubble up, you know. Bubble up your body, baby girl. Bubble. Hold on there, pause. People. You see Jada Kingdom. Not to us a party. Let's go check out Jada Kingdom video on my channel. You won't be disappointed. You ever see somebody do a reaction video silent yet? Not say a word in that. Tell you, man. That video there, Grammy video that. Go ahead.
Bad girl, big bumper.
Yeah.
Pretty cute face, a fi fuck that.
Yeah.
Ride it.
Hold on. The man said bad girl, big bumper, pretty cute face. Ma fi do what? Ma fi knock that bumper clip. Make sure know what time it is. Then the man tell her fi do what? Ride it.
Bubble up.
Yeah.
Now. Push it in hard up in your bumper.
What?
Here a world boss, what's a nut now?
What? You can push it. Whoa. Up in that. Little girl that can't manage them things here. Little girl that can't manage them things here, no? And even because I talk to you, you can't manage them bumbuckle bell things here. We're gonna run tune.
Skin it out, girl, open up your front so.
Yeah.
Deep throat, girl, get the trophy.
What? Deep what? Get the what? Little girl, it's so can't tell deal with a case. You have to just make him turn the shot you want to. You have to make him fling which way you want to fling. Because you can't move. And that same thing goes to me, because girl, so I deal with your case. Run tune!
Gyal we suck off dick.
Yeah.
And a jazz me a bust off it.
Yeah!
Say she a bad freak.
Yeah! No joke. Skillibeng or Family or Jucee Froot. We are not a cartel verse, but Skillibeng, Family, who have the best one on the track? Yeah? Me I give to Skillibeng in the car. Family say I got pissed on the girl. Blood clot!
Say, suck and spit. We are the wave like Hawaii.
Yeah.
Gyal I give me pussy no warning.
Bumbacly, you. I don't know about Skillibeng. Hold on, I want to know about them things. So if somebody comment what this, hold on there. Jamaica. What is? Be careful with me I talk about, you know. But Skillibeng, you get it done like that. Red tune.
Pussy in my face, me no fuck and kiss.
None at all.
Gyal,
None
see
at
the
all and
feeling.
pass. You know, some of the man of Jamaica start going rush out with it now, you know. When we get big and brave and bored with it now, you know. But Red tune.
Yes sir. She make depression disappear in seconds. Landlord pay 10 and she have way she clever. She know for shake
You
it.
see them girls that make your depression them disappear in seconds. And them girls on for link with. And them girls that got the good things them. And them girls that got the good punanis. Run tune.
Pleasant make it roll sinister. She blow my better fucking intellectual passage job examine.
Hey, Mr. You know, Mr. Skillibeng, I name long. You use some big words. Wipe on the long argument. You use some big words. You see me I say? You see me? Yo, go on. And them lyrical and them rhyme with everything what I say. You just put them that song and it not sound good. Run tune though.
The mirror say you ride me better. Me love every girl, but me have a type me prefer.
Ooh.
Bad girl, big
But
bumper.
hey, the man
Pretty
them love
good.
every girl. But him have a type where him prefer. What you know about that? What you know about? Because the VP boss, so you will tell you style from. Run tune.
Safi fuck that.
You're 30.
Eat your girl.
Cause she a do it always.
And you Mr. Tamil, I'm going to address your matter. So tell me, dog, why you want to piss for the people, them girl? The girl them say them not like you because you say you go piss for them, dog. Trust me. And that them I say. And that is very out of order for them girl for say they don't like the Tamil boss, you know. This part-time boss is very grimy, though. And I say 40 words about that, me gone. Run tune. Always. Oh, well, before you start it, me go back in there, sir. Before you start spit, you think me I say, people, if you never know no one now, but to the probably already, you think I say, it does a little vibes and them man they start go live on the gram, on cartel page, and they get them over there Turk with the big bumper them, to the whole I send them on the album, I'm not to see them battery with them get have over there, so. You see the battery with them get have over there, so. Bumbo clat! Yo, run tune! Bumbo belt, and if you stop cuss bad word, run tune.
Boom on my phone and I call back.
Yeah.
Touching at the club and the girl in my go on back.
Yeah.
Money does a fly up my Louis Vuitton bag.
Yeah, I wanna know about family. I wanna know about family. I wanna know about tattoo. Yo!
Girl, if I'm ready for fly back. Military training, no need no dog pack.
Yeah.
Get my son shot on a bullet, she send back. Tell the boy, get my sister like a jack.
Bumbakla! But to me, this is like the body song on the track. The body song on the track to me is the one with the daddy one. What I want the name again? Presidential. You see me? Feel like I do that one the next. That's the body song to me. But everybody say I jump on the beat and then this. But to me, presidential, bumbakla, sick vibes, so someone want tear it up. Then the one because someone want tear it up. And yo, blood clot, yo, go on! Go on!
Bad girl, big bumper. Pretty good face. Hear about world
Right, of
boss.
course again.
Give it to me like you owe some.
Yeah, I say you know. Me talk about you, Jucee I can't even call her name because I mean, Jucee Froot in name. I must or her. So, American people, you hear me? Me don't know a person, and I don't know a person that like it, but me I see American because some things that I'm saying in a him or her verse, you know. A man, because they want to say something like thoroughly and the blood clot. But some of the things that what Jucee Froot say, right? Listen one of the things they must say.
I ride it. Beat the booty like a drum.
You hear that? I want to listen to the thing I'm saying, because I mention some things too, you know, where Jamaicans don't really use as lyrical, you know. I want to listen cleanly what I'm saying. Listen.
Take it out and put it on the tongue. Wind it, grind it. I'm here for you, find me.
No ear. On the ear is what I go on over here, so. And it kind of sound like Torrelians, no. On to the ear what I go on, no. Alright, let's on to the ear what I go on, no. Go on again.
First, let's take it slow.
Yeah?
You can get control.
Yeah?
But first, I need to calm down. Once my body roll.
I describe the fuck. I describe everything. Alright, shit. Wait till you know if I'm a man or woman. Honestly, I know. I never done a research because I mean, you say, let's react to the song. But listen. Once I go on, listen again.
And I touch my toes. This pussy what you want now.
Is that girl?
Give me. No, I got this line, this sticky.
Well, she said she have got a bomba clip. Honestly, I don't know the person, but what she said a while ago is a girl. You see me? So yeah. What? Jump back and see what she has. She have got shine, bad boy.
I also did the beat pretty. Like it messy, get it icky like a Vicky. Why you ain't sticky?
Bad girl, big bumper.
Icky. But what cartel say, people? What cartel say?
Pretty good face. Safi fuck that.
Yeah! Right. This been a boy tight people, the reaction boss. And guess what? We're gonna sign off the video right about now. Hopefully I don't get to post it because I'm saying that. But you see that song here? The way I sign up on the album, copyright fully enforced. The thing in black worldwide. They couldn't see none of them could post the video, dog. You did me I say? So if you don't watch the song without me pausing, you don't do the chopper. This be no boy tie. You did me I say? I give you no presidential tomorrow. In the Maros. You did me I say? I'm gonna edit this and post it right now. Peace.